Good morning, children, and welcome to Sharmila English class. Today, I have taken a new topic. Along with English, I have taken a new chapter from SST Even, that is Social Studies, and the name of the chapter is India, Our Pride, Physical. Now, children, let me just explain you with a brief introduction of this chapter. India is a beautiful country and it's very large. It has many different types of land like mountains, plains, deserts, rivers, and forests. So, what are these called? These are called physical features of India. Now, let me tell you one thing. Let's come down to the mountains. Number one, we have got Himalayas. Okay, Himalayan ranges. It's the highest mountains. So the Himalayas are the highest mountains in the world, and it is totally covered with snow always. It is always covered with snow. People in especially in the summer vacation, they go to those places where to enjoy the cold, the coolness of that place, coolness of that place. So that's the reason why they go to that those areas. Uh, and the Himalayas are the highest mountains in the world, and especially it is in the north of India. Mount Everest is the highest peak. Though Mount Everest is the highest peak, but it is a part of Himalayan ranges. It is a part of Himalayas. So what is the work of Himalayan ranges? It keeps India safe from cold winds. And you'll find, children, that many rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, they start from here. They flow from the Himalayan ranges. Now coming down to the northern plains. Northern plains are what are plains? They are flat lowland hills. They are flat lowland. They are flat land. These flat land are below the Himalayas. Rivers like Ganga and Yamuna, they flow from Himalayas and they make the land very fertile, which is good for farming. Many people they live here in the northern plains, northern area, just to grow crops like wheat, rice. It's in the side of Punjab and all. Okay. Now, after going through the mountain ranges, let me take you to the desert. Desert means it's a dry and hot area, totally dry and hot area, and it is the desert that is in India is the Thar Desert. Where is Thar Desert located? It is located in Rajasthan and it is in the northwest. What is northwest? Northwest is called the subdirection. As I told you, the main directions are east, west, north, south. But the subdirection, it's a subdirection. The direction between north and west, it's called northwest. So that is called a subdirection. So Rajasthan is in subdirection area and it is hot and dry with very little rainfall. People, especially, they use camels for traveling there, for travel. And houses in Rajasthan are specially made of clay, made of mud. Why? Because it keeps them cool. Mud houses keeps them cool. Mud house, though they are made of mud, but they are very strong. Now, let me take you to the plateau region. What is a plateau? Plateau is a high flat land. Little high flat land. It's not that high, still high flat land, and especially we can find the Deccan Plateau in the south of India. In the south of India, you can find Deccan Plateau. That's the reason why we say that places in south are very beautiful, because you can find greenery over there with small plateaus and all. And that's the reason why we say that the states in southern part are very beautiful, and you got beautiful places to visit in the southern areas. Those areas are totally covered and surrounded by hills. So this area has black soil, and it is good for growing cotton. Black soil is good for growing cotton. Now, the coastal plains. What is this coastal plains and islands? Islands, many of them might have seen. What is island? Island is totally covered surrounded with water. Okay. Now, India has a long coastline. It has got a long coastline. On the east and west sides are the eastern and western coastal plains. In the east side, it is coastal plain, and in the western side, we say it is western coastal plains. And there are many beautiful beaches in this area. You can find many beautiful beaches. Now, and you know that India also has islands, that is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which is in the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep, which is in the Arabian Sea. So there are two islands, that is Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal, Lakshadweep in the Arabian Seas. Now we have got great Indian rivers in our India. In our country, you can find great Indian rivers. There are some major rivers which flow in India, in our country, that is Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada. So these are the major rivers which flow in our country. And rivers, what do rivers do? They help in farming, transport, and provide drinking water. Rivers help in these all things. So we also have natural beauty and resources in our country. That is, India has forests, animals, and natural resources. It is rich in minerals, forests, and wildlife. Might have visited most of the children might have visited wildlife sanctuaries where you might have seen animals roaming all over. Now, national parks, what do they do? Why are national parks constructed? Just to protect the wild animals like tigers, elephants, and lions. Just to protect bears also, deer also, bison is there, then rhinos are there. So these are all, they are protected, they are safely kept in the national parks, so that people will not harm them. And uh, we need to learn. We have learned many things. It is just a physical features what I told of about all about India, and that is the reason why we say India is our pride. Why India is our pride? Because it has different landscapes, and each region is unique and special, and we must also love and protect our land. That is the reason why we say India is our pride, and we and it is just a physical features what I have explained in this chapter. Children, we should be proud of India's natural beauty and variety. As citizens, it is our duty to take care of our environment and respect all regions. Thank you. Thank you very much. If you have any doubt, then you can just write in my comment section, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, see you in my next class. Thank you very much.